May I start, sir? First of all, Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I hope you people are doing great. First of all, let me introduce myself. This is Tayyab Ansari, son of Mumtaz Ahmed, and I am student of elementary level. My respectable and honorable teacher name is Sir Faisal and Sir Shehbaz. So I'm gonna start my topic, which is about the history of English language. So before I start my presentation, I have some request for you guys. Please, you will listen to my presentation with concentration. Inshallah, you will get a lot of knowledge after my presentation. So let me start my presentation. My first topic is that what is history of English language? Do you know what is history of English language? Can anyone tell to me what is history of English language? Who will tell you? Guys, I am waiting for your answer. I think you don't understand my question and you don't understand my point. So I'm not demotivate you, but I'm just realized that why it's so important in English language and why should we learn in English language. So doesn't matter, I am here and I'm telling the history of English language word by word. The history of English language is the history of English language is development of language. It is the present day. It was West Germanic language that is originated from the language Germanic tribe who settled in Britannia 5th and 6th century. So this is called the history of English language. I can understand you don't understand my word, you don't understand this wording. I will explain you word by word in easy to easy way. I am repeating again the history of English language. The history of English language is one of the most developed language since the beginning of time. It was West Germanic language who is settled in Britannia 5th and 6th century. So this is called the history of English language. It easy to easy way. So I hope you understand my first topic. I'm gonna move on my next topic, which is about the history of English language is divided by into three main stages. First of all, I'm telling you Old English language. Do you know Old English language? I will explain you. I will explain you in these 3 points one by one. First of all, I will explain you Old English language. The speak of Germanic English language is spoken by the Anglo-Saxon. It was started 450 to 1150. I think so. In that time, in that year, English has some developed language because Anglo-Saxon. There is a man who started an English language. So I think so. English has some developed. I think so. English has some little bit developed language. By the way, I'm gonna move on my next point, which is about the Middle English language. So it was started 1150 to 1500. After the King of England spoke French, of 300 years, many new words were added in English language. You guys can make the ideas. You guys make in ideas in yourself. 300 years, many new words were added in English language. So I think so. In that time, in that time, English has complete developed language. So that is why. By the way, I'm gonna move on my last point, which is about the modern English language. It was started 1500 to the present. So I will explain you in this point. There is critical point. I will mistake in a lot. Modern English language. It was started 1500 to the present. The Greek ruled word around 1500 changed the pronunciation, but spelling remains unchanged. I will let's suppose I will be example. We can speak in English. We can many new words wrongly, and we can speak many new words pronunciation wrongly. For example, I am in the restaurant. That is not the correct way of the pronunciation is restaurant. That is the correct pronunciation is I am in the restaurant. That is the correct pronunciation of the restaurant. So I hope you understand my second topic. I'm gonna move on my last topic, which is so important and which is about why English language is so important and why should we learn an English language. So first of all, I'm telling you why is English language is so important. First of all, there are so many people said Urdu has a national language and why should we learn an English language and you just waste on your time. I accept in your point because I follow the Urdu language, but English is important as well. It's a communication skill. We are living in art. There are so many language used in a world and there are so many countries in a world. For example, if I talk about in a Pakistani people, there are so many language used in, for example, like Punjabi, Urdu, Pashto, Sindhi, each and everything. But we are selected. Urdu has a national language. So that is why I can speak in Pakistani people. I can easily deliver to the talk in Urdu. He can understand that my topic. So first of all, same like this. That is why English is so important as well. That is why if you talk about in all over the world, there are so many language used in all over the world, and there are so many countries in all over the world. For example, if we can go to the any countries and any cities, you can easily communicate on the English language, you can easily talk to English language. So that is why English language is so important language. So at the end, I have some suggestion for you guys. You should enroll in your English language skill, and you should learn an English language skill when you become a good communication skill and when you become a good communication. At the end, thank you so much for your precious time, and thank you so much for listening to my presentation. Such a nice talk with you. Have a nice day. Bye bye for now.